morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you watch us from. With a report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orugbe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union and the State Executive Council, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. We're here today to bring out report of recent that Oredo Local Government Council don't partner with Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria to fight against extortion, against injustice, against intimidation for Oredo local government. I think Oredo local government take a very good step. Since 1997, now humanitarian service, now we dey do, me and my team. We are volunteers for Edo State. We are volunteers to different communities. We are volunteers to 18 local governments in Edo State. As we dey fight our oppression, they go. We dey fight our injustice. They do our humanitarian service. They take care of the less privileged. We don't know say Oredo Local Government Council that they take note of the good job what the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria they do. Now the appointment and introduction letter and this when the Oredo Local Government Council give us what they authorize us now. Say anywhere we see illegal tickets inside Oredo market, outside Oredo, make we deal with that person, hand over that person to law enforcement agency. I want this opportunity to thank my team because a tree cannot make a forest. This promotion, achievement, when we don't make for Traders Welfare Union, I know at those home and abroad that they take note of the good work where we do. So our appreciation still go to the former Oredo Local Government Chairman, Honorable Jackie Sosude. We appreciate the Director of Revenue, Honorable Agbons Uyigwe. We appreciate the staffs and the men and women where they work for Oredo. I would like our brothers and sisters where they for government, may they listen to me. Government never give me this license when I started to fight extortion, me and my team. If you dey work with government for Edo State and you think say you go wear your uniform, then they extort Edo people, we will expose you. Somebody say expose.
Expose.
If you be X-man, somebody never park motor, you dey job enter, you want to extort am, we go expose you to Edo State government and Edo State people. You be power. Instead, where you go tell them, look, defender of power, Mutari, the good job where they do. You say you want to use your power uniform, tell they do Antara, we will expose you. Somebody say expose.
Expose.
Constabulary. When I say anybody will not wear face mask, may that they hold them. If you wear that your uniform, you gonna collect bribe. You gonna extort Edo people, we shall expose you. Somebody say expose.
Expose.
If you be police, do your police well. If you be Nigeria army, do your Nigeria army well. If you be civil defense, do your civil defense well. If you be DSS, do your DSS well, so that we will get better Edo State and better Nigeria. Yes, I want to pass my final warning for all those people who want to spoil the good work where the vigilantes they do. The vigilante where the state they organize Edo security network where the government they organize. They are doing well, but we can't get some way be say they be vigilante. Wetin they specialize on na to dey extort Edo people. If we catch that kind of vigilante, we will expose that vigilante. Somebody say expose.
Expose.
We want this opportunity to appreciate Odion and Noboka, the state chairman Butchers Union, for the good work what they do for Oredo vigilante. We want to say thank you. We will join hands together to make sure courtesan end for our state. We will join hands together to make sure people where they sell unwholesome meat, we end them for inside our market. We don't need them. We will make sure say we join hands together. Multiple taxation where government no know one, no two. We will put a stop. We will join hands together to make sure all these illegal tickets, whether they cut to our traders for 18 local government, we stop. Somebody say expose them.
Expose them.
Never again you go enter any market for Edo State. They extort the market people. We from the Traders Welfare Union, me and my team, we just say make we come appreciate Oredo for this appointment and honor where they honor Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. I know say so many people go they say they don't give them appointment. Now appointment without money una hear so? Abi?
Yes,
Now appointment without money, but this appointment letter belle for me. Me and my team, we so much appreciate them for them to say, okay, we be volunteer, make una come take this appointment letter. License to fight extortion, license to fight oppression. We dey happy well. So wetin we dey do as volunteers na to put a stop to injustice, to put a stop to extortion, to put a stop to oppression, to fight for the voiceless people. So we expect the 18 local governments, to do the same thing. The 17 local governments will remain to do the same thing we already do. Because Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, we get coordinators for 18 local governments. We get our team for different local governments. So it is time we begin to pursue extortion. It is time we begin to say no to injustice. It is time we begin to say no to oppression. So we appreciate the Oredo local government council will give us this appointment. Our volunteer where we dey do Edo State government. We want also appreciate the Edo State government. We want Edo State government to also see how they go take support the Traders Welfare Union team. We need mobility, we need cameras, we need empowerment so that the work go dey go siriri werere. Last time they call us for Auchi, issue of oppression. The other time they call us for Esaland, issue of oppression, extortion and all that. So if you be person wey be say you love freedom, you hate oppression, you hate injustice, you hate intimidation, you fit support us. Because one person no dey run human rights organization. Na your support, my support, na the movement will take go front. So we thank Oredo local government, we appreciate them. So one after the other, your appreciation message to Oredo local government, Director of Welfare.
I will say a very big thank you to Oredo for giving us an appointment. May God continue to bless you. And all that viewed us, you can as well do something meaningful like this.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Secretary General.
Yes, so
One word.
my own is very good move by the Oredo local government.
Yeah.
Because extortion, intimidation, oppression, injustice in Edo State in particular and Nigeria in general is unprecedented. You know, talk and finish. But this move, this singular move for us to checkmate the oppressors, checkmate the people that intimidate for our society, those people who they cause injustice, those people that they collect illegal taxation. This move already give us more checkmate them as the best move so far, and we will not fail them. So you where they collect money, you be tax collector, you be legal tax collector, you be fake tax collector. Be on your guide. If we catch you, na state will go talk and finish you.
Thank you. And we get our coordinator all the way from Esan West, Ekpoma. How is Ekpoma, my brother?
Ekpoma is fine. I'm doing great work now. Grace of God.
Okay. And I want to sincerely appreciate you. You know, they easy to fight against oppression. A lot of injustice, a lot of oppression, they come up every day. So our coordinator, Esan West, all the way from Ekpoma, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Esan Central, coordinator. How is Esan Central?
Esan Central is fine. I just want to thank the Oredo local government big time for recognizing the work of tribal welfare in Edo State.
All right.
Big thanks to you all.
Thank you very much. So, my brothers and sisters, as you see me so, if we fight our extortion, we fight our injustice, we fight our oppression, we don't know papa, we don't know mama, we don't know brother. So stay clear for inside the market. Stay clear for outside the market. You not go continue to spoil government of Obaseki. You know, continue to spoil that government of Obaseki. Me, I know the APC, I know the PDP, I know the any political party. Some of all this money wey be say people they come and stop. Even Mr. Godwin Obaseki or the government of Edo State don't know about them. Now only we go free expose those kind of people. That is why they want. If you be power, check the leaders of power. Check Mutari. When you go to Ring Road now, when you go to those areas, you see say Mutari is doing wonderfully. Let Mutari be your mentor. Not be say you're going to collect illegal money and you dey wear government uniform. We will expose you. Somebody say expose.
Expose.
So now the warning when we carry come be this. We don't want to make you go bring pains to your family. Instead, say no to this extortion, injustice and oppression wey they do to people. In case you want to reach us, you get any information for us, or you want support us, call this number 080-5384-1781. 080-5384-1781. My name still remains Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union. Just now the State Executive Council, now they talk to una one by one just now. My brother, my sister, if you join people they carry dirty put for tie road for Edo State for Benin, where they carry dirty put for pavement. If we catch you, na psychiatric hospital you dey go direct, because we will describe people like that, enemy of the state or enemy of progress. My governor, Godwin Obaseki, our market for Edo State, the volume of the traders, most especially the state capital, the volume of the traders dey increase every blessed day. We need Edo State international market, and every local government will get their farm produce and fruit market, like the one wey they arrange for Oredo now. We want to say thank you. God bless you for your good work. And don't go forget to thank the SSG, Honorable Barrister Osarogion Oge. Thank you for your good work. I want to pass here thank the Deputy Governor, Comrade Philip Shaibu. Thank you for your good work. My own brother, the Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, I want to appreciate you. I want they gonna bring policy for inside Edo State government, inside Edo State House of Assembly, that will favor traders. So I dey report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. My name is still Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the President, Traders Welfare Union. Share our video for us. Thank you and God bless you. We greet our viewers, the Traders Welfare Union family, and our partners all over the world. Thank you and God bless you. Sole, 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 solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Sole, 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 solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Oh, freedom come by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Mandela fight for freedom. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Ojukwu fight for freedom. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom. Baba Fela fight for freedom. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Anthony fight for freedom. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Anthony Naholo fight for freedom. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom. Thabo Mbeki fight for freedom. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Esoato, in Africa. Esolato, in Africa. In Africa. Esolato.